Hi there to everyone watching, and welcome to our new Vileda hygiene videocast about the most important hygiene rules. Today's topic is the internationally known color system for cleaning surfaces. And together with you, I am very pleased to introduce you to our Vileda surface cleaning specialist, Handan. Hello, Handan.
Hi, Erin.
So, Handan, tell me, what about it?
The color coding system is a worldwide standard used by professionals, especially in critical areas like hospitals, to avoid bacteria cross-contamination.
What exactly does that mean, colors? Like in a traffic light?
Yeah, almost we can say that. So we use colors to separate the cleaning areas to avoid cross-contamination of bacteria and viruses.
Spooky, huh?
Not at all, don't worry. So this hygienic cleaning system can be applied to any cleaning equipment used in each area. And for example, it could be a microfiber cloth, sponge and scourers.
With a simple sponge or cloth?
Yeah, of course. So we use blue colored cloth for living room, dining room and bedroom cleaning. We use green color for kitchen cleaning. We use yellow color for bathroom cleaning and red color for toilet cleaning. And rinse thoroughly after use. Let me show you the mirror cleaning first.
Yes, please.
So always start from clean to dirty. So in the bathroom, we usually start with the mirror, which is the least dirty area. So we start cleaning. And then once this is done, you work towards the dirty area, for example, toilet cleaning. And then we change the cloth again to the red, and then we do the cleaning.
Well, I think that's too easy for me. Maybe I should tell her about my kids. We have children. What are your ideas about that?
Don't worry, it's exactly the same. One of the main reasons to clean thoroughly and use separate tools is that we have a very different members in a big family sharing the house.
Plus Charlie.
Oh, how old is he?
12, our Labrador. So same color cloth then?
No, absolutely no. So for Charlie's bowl and his areas, you choose different new color. For example, orange. So you should use orange cloth or sponges only for Charlie's area. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
And also, bacteria multiply very fast in moist environments. So for this reason, it's very important that you let your cleaning equipment dry very well. You should change and also clean them frequently.
And how do I clean the cloths?
So you should have several refills at home. You should wash them all together, but of course separated from your other laundries.
Mm-hmm. What temperature?
All Vileda clothes and sponges are very durable. It can be at least washed at 60 degrees.
Oh, good. And what about drying? What about that?
So for drying, you can use cloth airer, radiator or tumble dryer, but not microwave. Microwave is very dangerous as the fibers can be scorched in there, but please make sure that everything is dry completely.
Gee, thank you, Handan. That was a lot. So I think now that we should repeat some of the most important things that we have learned here today. So rule number 1. Decide on one color for each cleaning area that you'd like to clean hygienically.
Rule number 2. Stick to this color. Use only cleaning tools with this color for chosen area, and be it like cloths or sponges or protective gloves.
Rule number 3. Change or wash cleaning cloths frequently. Wash them all together, separated from other laundry.
Rule number 4. All Vileda cloths and scouring sponges are very durable and can be washed at least 60 degrees.
Thank you very much, Handan, and all of you at home. And by the way, on our Vileda website, we present you our rules in a simple, easy to remember way. Okay, folks, that's it for today. See you again soon next time with very important hygiene rules.